In this video, we will take a look at how to import analysis results and work with them in Revit. Select the import command in the LIRA-SAPR plugin and upload an export file of reinforcement results from LIRA-SAPR. I have explained how to export the results of reinforcement earlier. There is an option to check update data, which allows you to track the results of changes. To match geometry and results, you need to set the binding range, neighborhood of search for elements, and angular precision. It is recommended to set the values equal to the half of cross-section of the column and slab, and angles of 10 degrees. Press OK. We see that the buttons for selecting the reinforcement directions are available. To view the reinforcement, select the direction you are interested in. To increase the size of the reinforcement scale, it is necessary to change the scale of the view. The export file of reinforcement results also contains the results of reinforcement in bars, in our case in columns. To view the results, select the desired location in the cross-section. It is also possible to display the total required reinforcement in the bars, or the percentage of required reinforcement, and the transverse reinforcement in two directions. Switching between symmetrical and asymmetrical reinforcement is done as follows. Our model has no elements with asymmetrical reinforcement, so the scale does not work. It is also possible to use different variants of the color scale if it has been preset in LIRA-SAPR. It is necessary for convenience and styling to suit the specific needs of the user. Let's look at the reinforcement check function. To do this, we use the Revit tools to create an additional area of reinforcement in the slab. Let's go back to the LIRA-SAPR plugin and select the check type of reinforcement mosaic plot. Referring to the scale, we see if the specified reinforcement is enough or not. We can see that the display has been updated and the given reinforcement is not enough. Based on that scale, we select the desired cross-section of reinforcing bars. To make a difference, we duplicate the reinforcement area and set other parameters. As you can see, this function is able to work with many reinforcement areas. Thank you for your attention.